Mable Kelly, from Harrington, Delaware, had mobility issues for over 6 years. A wooden ramp was holding her back.
I usually either walk with a walker or ride the mobile scooter. It was hard walking because the boards were starting to come loose and deteriorating.
Then she found Amramp on Facebook and decided to call our Philadelphia installation team, who later installed a sturdy steel ramp within a few hours.
It was very quick. Actually, I think a matter of maybe, I was trying to decide if I wanted to go with another wooden ramp. That different people had suggested the aluminum ramp to me. I thought it looked too cheap. And after doing my research on it, I decided to go with the Amramp, and I love it. Very sturdy, don't move.
Now that she has a steel ramp from Amramp, her life has dramatically changed.
I can bring the scooter in and out on my own, plus I can walk up and down the ramp without any trouble with the walker. Sometimes I do my daily exercises by just holding onto the handrails and walking the ramp.
Amramp Philadelphia are accessibility specialists. Contact us for a free, on-the-spot site assessment and written proposal. Your ramp or other accessibility solutions can be installed by experts quickly and easily.
Everybody was punctual, very easy to work with, very cooperative and on time, and did very neat as far as the work. Cleaned up after themselves. In fact, I wish a few more people would put them in instead of their steps in the park. They're neat looking.